I know what you're thinking. What in the world is Geek Geek Nerd Nerd? And why is Edward dressed like Santa? Take a ride with me. Let's find out together.
Are you ready to join us on a wild ride with Ed Weird and Mr. Nope sitting at your side? No topic off limits, nothing is safe. Weird dopes are here, so try to be brave. Weird dopes coming at you. Weird dopes, are you dope too? Let's kick it.
So, Geek Geek Nerd Nerd is a comic book store out in Oregon, and I will put a link to them down in the description below. But I found them online a few years back and became a part of the Geek Geek Nerd Nerd community. It's a great little community. They have live sales. They do fun things. We hang out. We talk. I've made a lot of good friends there. So that explains the Geek Geek Nerd Nerd part. Why am I dressed like Santa Claus? Because I forgot that back at Christmas, Geek Geek Nerd Nerd sent me a surprise package, and I wrapped it for Christmas and forgot all about it. And I just found it today. So I figured they can have Christmas in July. Why not at the end of May? So I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you. So this is from my friends from Geek Geek Nerd Nerd. Let's find out what's inside. Sorry, Mickey. A mailer, of course. Ooh, I see lots of goodies in there. I'm getting excited. I have another Christmas present. This one is Captain America. What's the tag say? To Ed Weird from Chris. I forgot to mention, the owner of Geek Geek Nerd Nerd is Chris Columbus. Not that Chris Columbus, but another Chris Columbus. And over the years, he's become a really good friend of mine. We talk quite a bit, and I love his live shows. So let's see what goodies Chris has in store for me. Oh, this looks dope. Not sure what it is, but I see a skull. In case you didn't know, I'm a little bit of a Halloween addict, and I love all things horror. Ooh, The Devil's Red Bride, issue number 1. Let me see. Looks to me like there's more than one in there. Yep. The Devil's Red Bride, issue number 1. I have not read that one, but I soon will. Mindbreaker, number 1. Darling, number 4. I've not heard of Darling, so this is a new one for me. Red Man, number 5. And Masters of the Universe Revelation, number 2. This is an excellent series. I've read it before. And now for package 2. See what we got. Ooh, The Closet, issue number 1. If you haven't read The Closet, I highly recommend it. Could be one of the absolute best horror comics that I've read in a very long time. There's 3 issues in total. Great read. If you love horror, you got to check this one out. What's the Furthest Place from Here? Issue number 6. Coyotes. Issue number 7. Ooh, We Are the Walking Dead. Issue 24. The Walking Dead Deluxe. Issue 21. Well, I made out like a bandit for Christmas in May this year. And now I got another book. Super taped. Very secure. No worries here about the weather. I can't even get into it with a pair of scissors. Use little hack slash. Pun intended. Here it comes. Here it comes. What do we have in here? We have a card to Ed Weird. Maybe I was supposed to open this one first. My bad. It's that magical time of year with Mickey and Minnie. Edward, I appreciate you being on our live sales. You bring us a smile inside, even when I'm giving you the look. I get the look a lot. I tend to crack some jokes to try to trip Chris up, and when I'm successful, he gives me the look. And whenever I get the look, it's a score. And then, of course, he signed it with a meow because Chris has what could be the most annoying cat meow I've ever heard. And when I get to be too much on his show, he pays me back with meow, 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 meow. And then I give Chris the look. It's a thing. Package 2. This one has Snoopy wallpaper on it. And it's from my friend Jason, who's part of the Geek Geek Nerd community. So thank you, Jason. I have Captain America 120 or 193. Captain America 314. Captain America 5. And this very cool cover. Looks like Captain America 41, maybe? Or no? Oh, it's the 4th print of number 1. And the last one is Captain America Need You 702. Let me guess. You thought, hey, we're done. Hey, you're wrong. We got one more to go. Let's see what's in this store. I also have a couple of toys I have to open. So let me see. What do we have here? What do we have here? We have the Slasher's Apprentice Trade Dress, number 1. We have Free Comic Book Day, Fantastic Four. We have Free Comic Book Day, Mark Spears Monsters. And just in case you're curious, this isn't out of the Christmas box. This is a recent order. So that's why the Free Comic Book Day books are there. And last but not least, the Free Comic Book Day Big Rig. And now for the goodies, 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 goodies. Oh, it looks like, let me see, a Masters of the Universe bag clip. Let's see what's in that. Who did I get? Who did I get? I got Hordak, the evil Hordak. I believe he was from She-Ra, if I remember correctly. And there's one more. Well, this would appear to be Tila. I don't know if you know about bag clips, but I collected a bunch of the horror bag clips that Chris has sold over the years. And what I ended up doing was making myself a Halloween tree. Very cool. I have these things hanging all over it with a Michael Myers head on top. I'll see if I can get a picture and tag it onto the video.
Idiot. Halloween tree. Keep it creepy.
And lastly, it looks like I got a print from maybe Stray Dogs. It's either Stray Dogs or Cujo. It doesn't say, but it's very cool. And that's the end of our little trip. I'd like to take a moment to thank all of my friends and family at Geek Geek Nerd out in Oregon. Give you a big shout. Like I said, I'll put your link in the description below. And for everybody out there, I'm dope. Are you? See you next time.
WeirDopes coming at you. WeirDopes, are you dope too?